If you are paying hundreds for VO3 to generate high quality AI videos, this alternate generates better quality videos with 10 times less money. So come to this site called as van.video. Basically, this is a better alternate of VO3. Basically, what you need to do is just hit the sign up button and you will see some this kind of interface. Now here you can see some of the samples what people have generated. The first thing you need to keep in mind, you need to have some sort of credits in order to generate some sort of output. So if you sign up, you can hit this check-in button and you will get some free credits. Let's hit check-in and I got 10 credits. From here, let's go with the sample prompt. So for today, we will be crafting a duck wearing a suit with a money bag in its hand. From here, hit on the generate button. Now just wait and let the AI do its job. You can see the estimate time and we'll wait until then. As you can see, the output is ready and the video
Proceed to
quality
phase
is superb.
2.
As you can see, it also
Assets
has
secured.
the voiceover.
Proceed to
And from
phase
here
2.
you can download it however you want.
Assets
For
secured.
now you can download it with the watermark.
Proceed to
And
phase
if you want
2.
to download without the watermark, you need to purchase
Assets
the
secured.
From here you can publish,
Proceed to
add
phase
to your
2.
favorites, and from here if you have anything else, you can just type in and modify it according to you. So
Assets
that's it for
secured.
today's video. If you like
Proceed
this
to
video, make
phase
sure
2.
you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.
Asset
Thank you.